Hi, I'm Kieran from Mecad Systems, and today in this Mecad Minute, I'm going to show you how to resolve this error. So the error that will state is the operating system is not presently configured to run this application. You'll see this error when you're trying to close your system, and then from there you actually have to crash it through the task manager. So this error will not go away. So this actually occurs, you'll see when you have Solidworks CAM installed, and all this does is indicate that there are Windows components that are missing. So I'm going to show you two ways to resolve this issue. The first way, if you do not use Solidworks CAM, is actually just to simply go ahead and remove it. So what I did was I went to my programs and I actually said modify, and then from there you just run through those steps, you modify, and then from there all I do is uncheck CAM and run through the uninstallation process, so the uninstall process rather. What it does is then you'll see that should immediately resolve the issue, or the second way you can resolve the issue is actually to install the Windows components. So if I can show you here, once we click download, you'll see here it's the Access Database Engine. I'll actually include this link in the description below, and from there, once this is installed, your PC just needs to restart and the issue should be resolved. If not, please feel free to contact Mecad, support@mecad.co.za, and we can help.